Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Vara Safety's RACT, Biometric Mounted Security. As a contractor and carpenter, I'm constantly looking for ways to solve unique residential problems. When it comes to home security, the challenge is always balancing secure storage with fast, reliable deployment. The Vara Safety RACT, the B V2, is a mounted, modular, biometric firearm storage system, and it's designed to specifically bridge that gap. It's engineered to keep a rifle or a shotgun locked down while leaving it staged maybe for quick access at a later time. Before we get going on the review, quick disclaimer. I personally view firearms as tools. Like any specialized tool in the shop or on the job site, they require proper storage, regular maintenance, and an uncompromising focus on safety. This review installation guide is going to focus strictly on three things. First, we're going to look at the engineering of the RACT. Can it really do what it says it's going to do? Second, we're going to look at the biometric technology of it. And we're going to talk about that a little bit. Evaluating the reliability and the speed of the biometric access versus using a lock. And third, we're going to look at carpentry requirements to install this, because not every installation has solid plywood backing like this. The structural blocking and fastening required to anchor this unit securely to a home's framing is important. Doesn't matter whether you're anchoring a heavy tool cabinet, a wall safe, or this security rack, the structural principles remain the same. You need solid framing or blocking and proper fastening. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about some key components and design. Out of the box, the rack feels less like tactical storage rack and more like a heavy-duty clamp. So I'm standing next to clamps here, maybe think of that. It features kind of a minimalist vertical or horizontal, because you can mount this horizontal footprint. Maybe it's inside a closet or in a shop or I don't know, cabin. The system is constructed of 12-gauge steel and heavy nylon composites, and it weighs roughly 15 pounds. There are three core components mounted on the central aluminum back rack here that I want to just point out. One is the biometric barrel rack. That's this top thing right here. And it's a motorized clamping jaw that encircles the barrel or handguard of the firearm. Two is the trigger guard. That's this. That covers the trigger as well as the pin that breaks the barrel down. So it's completely shrouds the trigger to prevent unauthorized manipulation. Vara Safety includes interchangeable inserts here for AR receivers or traditional hunting rifles or shotguns. Three is the stock support. This is adjustable in and out, up and down. All of these are adjustable up and down. This one goes in and out as well, and this one goes left and right. The stock support's a rugged bottom boot, basically. Cups the buttstock of the firearm, takes the vertical weight of the firearm off the locking mechanism, as well as prevents the rifle from being slid out. So there's some smart adjustability that Vara Safety put in here in this modular design. And to me as a tradesman, I love the whole modular idea. Loosening a few bolts and nuts on the back of this thing, you can slide the barrel lock up and down. You can pretty much make it custom fit to your exact firearm. You know, it's rigid, very little wiggle room to move things around. Now the biometric technology, this is speed versus reliability, right? So the brain of the rack is a capacitive technology, is the advanced method of using the biometric scanner to read your fingerprint via natural electrical currents in your skin, as opposed to taking just a simple visual photograph. By measuring the electrical variance between the ridges and valleys of your fingerprint, it maps a precise 3D blueprint that cannot be fooled by photography or photos. This makes capacitive sensors significantly more secure, faster, and more reliable than older optical scanners, even if your hands are dry, damp, or slightly dirty from being on a job site. Let's talk a little bit about the unlock speed. So Vara Safety claims 0.2 second response time. And in testing it, it's incredibly fast. Touch the pad, motorized barrel just lets the barrel clamp spring open with a distinct pop, mechanical pop, right? The system holds up to 10 fingerprints. So I did my forefinger and thumb. The sensor updates its registered data every time you use it, meaning theoretically, I guess, it's adapting to minor changes like small cuts and scrapes on your skin, because that doesn't happen, right? As far as power management, the unit runs on a rechargeable battery up here with like a 10 to 12 month lifespan. A little bit less if it's out in the cold, if it's left out in like a trailer or a cabin in the woods somewhere. It alerts you with an audible beep that tells you the battery's low, and it charges via a USB-C cord. So you could even just use a battery and a cord and charge it remotely if you had to. My professional recommendation is that if you can, mount it and leave it plugged in so it's always on. If you're going to do that, though, make sure that you zip tie the cord out of the way. You don't want that getting caught up on the rifle. Mechanical override. If electronics fail on this, or maybe you let the battery go, there is a key override. They come with 2 keys, and you can unlock them the same way. Just put it up in here, turn the key, and it opens. Okay, guys, so the security of this rack is only as good as the material it's fastened to. You should select a mounting surface that is stronger than the rack itself. Properly installed, it should resist both vertical pull-out force and lateral prying force. Standard drywall anchor mounts will fail if someone attempts to pry the unit off the wall. You're just going to rip it right out the wall. Let me take you to the workbench, and then we'll walk through kind of a pro approach for using a couple different mounting methods. So my final thoughts, the Vara Safety RACT B V2 is less about hiding your firearm and more about controlling access. Responsible storage, fast deployment. From a builder's perspective, the heavy 12-gauge steel construction, the inclusion of proper structural fasteners, and the smart adjustable rail system make this a highly reliable piece of hardware. If you take the time to learn how and mount it properly into solid wood structural framing or solid blocking, you will have a permanent, rock-solid fixture in your home. I hope this helped, guys. We'll see you at the next product review. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Let me know what you think of this system. Take care.